Yes, hello everyone. My name is Richard Affolter and I'm the director of WEBA. Today, I'm pleased to introduce you our portal, which include today, let's see here, around 3,826 agents from around the world, from over 145 countries. So we built this big network of agents in the last, let's say, 30 years, as we are running many workshops from around the world in many countries, in over 40 countries every year. So I just want to show you how this portal is working. First of all, in order to be part of WEBA Portal, you have to become a member, and the membership fee is $399 per year. So every agent needs to pay this amount in order to become a member of WEBA. So this is a very important point for you to know. Now let's go inside in advanced search to give you an idea. And let's put, for example, a country here, let's say India, just to give you an idea. This is logically our biggest country with many agents. Let's see here how many we have. We have at the moment 574 agents in India. So you can click, for example, one members, which is Rajesh Patel, which I know him personally since over 15 years. He's based in India. Here you can see the name of his organization, his website, his email, address, company profile, and membership of a professional association, which include logically WEBA. So this is to give you an idea how this system is working. Logically, I show you India. I can go into other countries as well. Let's presume I go advanced search one more time. So let's say, for example, another country which can be interesting to you. Let's say, for example, Brazil. Brazil can be a very interesting country. So let me go here and find Brazil. I click on Brazil, and then let's see here. We have 30 agents in Brazil. So the same here, you can open one of the agents and you will find here the detail of Monica Oliveira da Silva. As well, here you will find her website, contact details, company profile, and we know her, Monica, since many years as well. She attended many of our workshops around the world. So I will go now on our main website, which is webaworld.com. So here you can see all our face-to-face workshop and event. Just click on real events and you scroll down. Here you will find all our workshop events we held in 2022 and we will hope to held in 2023 as well, etc., with all the permission of COVID, logically. So I just make an example. United States, we have in Las Vegas, we have workshop in Las Vegas. I think it's held around at the moment 3-4 times per year. So you will find a lot of agents attending our workshop. They meet school, they meet college, they meet business school, high school, university, etc. So these are agents who attend in Las Vegas for all around the world. Logically, we have many workshops as well in South America. For example, we have the Roadshow, Mexico, Colombia. Here in this particular workshop, you will meet only from Colombia and from Mexico, and so on and so on and so on. We have the biggest one in London as well. The one in London is held 4 to 6 times per year, and we always have around 100 agents who attend our workshop from everywhere in the world. And this is a great advantage. Personally, I know many agents coming from everywhere in the world, which can be from Asia, Africa, Latin America, Middle East, Europe, etc. And so all our agents, they register in our portal, which is webaworkshops.ning.com. And then after, they will receive the invitation or attend our workshop. And in this business, on top of the events, the physical events, we run as well our customized workshop virtually. So we just started just before the COVID, we started our virtual workshop. We many live workshop every month. We have maybe 5 to 10 live workshop, focus on the US, focus on Canada, focus on the UK, focus on Europe. So we have many different workshop. We even doing customized workshop. So we even do customized workshop if you have a school who say, oh, I want to do the virtual workshop alone, then we will organize a customized workshop for the school. So this is a very great point. On top of that, we have our network of top school. We are working together. We selected a number of around 50 schools. We are working together. And what we do here with these schools, we working in another field. We are assisting these schools to get in contact with the agents. So as we have this big network of agents, what we do many workshops for the schools. We invite the agents to work with these schools, and we are working with them until they reach the agreement with the school. And then after, we are organizing individual training session, and we'll explain exactly how to promote, how to sell the school, and how to recruit the students. So our work will be here until the school will receive the first students application. Just to give you an idea, with one school in small country, which can be Finland or Switzerland, we are getting around 200 to 250 agents agreement. The same is with Italy, the same is with Hungary. Bigger school with bigger location, like in the United States or in England, for example, we are getting around 400 to 500 agents who sign up an agreement. So to give you an idea, in 2021, we had in general with our agents, I think more than 3,000 students who apply in our different college and university. We work together where we do the marketing. So usually when we start to integrate a new school, we will look into to have an agreement for at least 2 years, because it is a very big work involved from our team. And I wanted to take this occasion to just introduce a little bit our team from WEBA, which I think it's very important for you to know. And this is, let's say, a short presentation about how we do our workshop. First of all, with our team name here. And these are some of the photos we had in many of our events around the world, which can be China, Taiwan, Indonesia, Europe, many workshops in Europe, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, Poland, Europe again, US, Los Angeles, etc. So we had many workshops. And let's go to the team of WEBA just to have an idea, so that you know part of our team. Let me go in our profile, and you will receive a copy of this brochure by attachment. Here is some information about our business partner from around the world. And here is the team, which is myself, Richard, Daniela, Jimmy, Bajinder, Lina, Camarus, Gayatri, Antonio, Mary Jane, and Ina Zakir. And here is the team in China, and our sponsor, and more additional information. We work very close with the British Council, with the Association of Boarding School in America, TABS, with EdShield in India. These are some of our agents who usually attend our workshop. As you can see, these are agents from everywhere in the world. And logical, we increased a lot in the last 2-3 years, especially as well because of the COVID. We have many more agents coming from really everywhere in this world. We have cooperation with agents from so many different countries, different cultures, different religions, and this is great. So this is just to give you a small idea about our WEBA world. So I would like to thank you very much, and I wish you a lovely day.